He goes bye-bye.
Also juggling taking care of their children.
Dude, is it not? He's gone.
Oh my...
Last I checked, the Pope doesn't have superpowers. Is it possible that a hologram is taking his place? Not just in the fact that he may be sick from COVID-19, but the fact that he may have been executed. That's a very strong possibility. The use of a hologram. The head of the Vatican is now the subject of a video that you just seen where he instantly vanishes. It raises a lot of questions on what's going on. Let me play it again to let you see for yourself.
He goes bye-bye.
Also juggling taking care of their children.
Dude, is it not? He's gone.
Oh my...
Justice is here, folks. They are all going down. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.